Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. iPhone signed into iCloud, Bluetooth on, and Internet active, so the Find My network can register the tag. Once done, pull the AirTag's plastic tab to activate the battery and hold the AirTag close to your iPhone. You'll see the pairing animation appear automatically. Tap Connect. This immediate action starts secure handshaking between devices via Bluetooth. You're initiating both identification and encryption, so the tag is recognized. After tapping Connect, you choose a name, either from defaults like keys or a custom label that helps you identify location quickly. Make sure to select the correct Apple ID device if prompts appear, because the AirTag binds to that account. This prevents others from claiming it. Once named, tap Done to add the AirTag to your Find My app. You've now linked location reporting and lost mode capability, so the tag can securely report via nearby Apple devices while preserving your privacy. Finish by opening Find My and confirming the AirTag appears with battery status and location. If you plan to share use, enable Notify when found or lost mode for remote alerts. If pairing fails, first reboot your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then reinsert the AirTag battery and try again. Intermittent radio issues cause most failures. For persistent problems, reset the AirTag by removing and replacing the battery 5 times until you hear a sound, and then reattempt pairing to clear any prior binds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.